Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you yet another AI coding assistant for VS Code which directly runs inside the editor itself. It's called as RooCode, ROOCODE.com. This is their official website, and the nice thing about this, it's completely open source. It is not a paid solution. So if you go to the extensions tab, just type here ROOCODE. This is the plugin here, and the very first extension which comes, simply click the install button to install this extension, and once it is installed you will see this appearing in the sidebar section of the screen here. So just wait for it to install. So once it is installed you will see this appearing in the sidebar section, RooCode, and just click it, and after that just need to grant permission, and you will now be able to ask any sort of question right here. And here you can, let's suppose I say build a calculator and HTML. So it will basically build out the files here. You just need to grant the permission, so it will read the code, make the necessary changes, and make the API request and generate the code for you. So it is asking you some questions here, so you just need to provide the thing, because in calculator you need to have basic arithmetic operations. You just need to click approve. So after that it will basically do the coding for you. You will see it is doing it. You can save the changes. So it's a great AI coding editor. You can definitely use it, and you can even install it by clicking this button as well. So it redirect you to this extension right here. So as you can see, it's used by almost 650,000 developers. So if I try to open this, so this is your calculator. So you can install this extension, guys, in VS Code to actually use AI coding assistant, similar to many great alternative, open source alternative to Claude, ChatGPT, and Gemini. And also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.